If we not be God, we not go vote.
I go repair the erosion wahala wey dey una community. Obaseki na im tell Ozala people this one. With less than 40 days to Edo gubernatorial election, the People's Democratic Party (PDP) campaign team don carry campaign waka enter wards for Owan West local government area. The party governorship candidate and governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, with im deputy, Right Honourable Philip Shaibu, na im lead the campaign train go Ozala community for Ward 1 for Owan West local government area. Governor Obaseki yarn say belle sweet am well well, as e bin no know say dem go honour am like this. Say the things wey dem dey thank am for na small, compared to the one wey e go do for im second term.
Una dey thank me for small thing when I don do. This one wey una do today mean say I must do much more for una. And wetin una dey ask me na wetin government suppose to do for una. If not be the kind government when we dey get before, there is no reason why una go get erosion problem the way e dey for Ozala. Because the former commissioner for environment na one woman, e no tell me say this kind problem dey Ozala. But by the grace of God, on September 19th, when you people now go and do what you call Operation Total. Operation Total. This our campaign. It never happened before like this. When I don't see governor come campaign for ward, before they're going to do big men for Sadebe Avenue. When they come, they go say, okay, make everybody come one public field for Sabo. But we say no. We go from ward to ward. Make we go meet our people direct. Make we use our own eye, see the problem when they the ground. Make we see wetin dey affect the people. And nobody go tell us when we come back to office, say secondary school dey Ozala make when we go repair. Nobody go tell us, say erosion problem dey. Nobody go tell us, say make we bring tractor, make we come help the farmers here, make them open up their land. The farming settlements, when the prison people get here, I don't bring tractor, I don't tell them, say I won't do mechanized agriculture for this place. Because if we not bring investment, we not bring agriculture large scale, where all of these children go get work. The election of September 19th will be one of the most important decisions you will make in your life, because it will be a decision whether Edo will go forward or Edo will begin to go backwards. And by the grace of God, Edo will go forward.
The people of the community come thank the governor for the roads and other ogbonge works wey he don do for the area. As dem no fit hide their joy, some ESCO members of the All Progressive Congress (APC) tear their APC party card, come join PDP. Dem talk say dem go continue to support Governor Obaseki, as dem get belief say if he come back, he go complete the work wey he don start for their community.
We want to thank you, sir, for those 2 roads you've done for us. And we want to really thank Mrs. Malaka. Today, sir, we are very happy. We want to appreciate you for coming to Ozala Ward 1. And we, the ESCO members of APC, today we are formally decamping to PDP. So as I'm standing with you here, sir, with the physical challenge that's standing before you, sir, is the physical challenge in the APC executive. 24 executive members of APC, you can see them today, they're going to tear down the APC card right away in your presence. Thank you, sir.
This one are the ogbonge informate wey we don bring come give una on top inside Edo today. As Governor Obaseki don tell Ozala people say he go repair the erosion wahala wey dey their community. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate come give una. My name na Oiza Aboriolu.